Number 4, deliberate practice is about pushing beyond your comfort zone where you're creating a higher standard for yourself, you're adapting, and you're creating a new normal. And for the most part, this may come naturally. So let's say at the very beginning, you can only commit to 30 minutes of study time. That's fine. So that's totally normal and that's fine. So 30 minutes is all you can do at the very beginning. But then let's say after maybe 2 weeks, you increase that to 45 minutes. Maybe after 3 weeks, you increase that to 1 hour. Maybe after 2 months or a month, you can commit to 2 hours of deliberate practice, of full focus, deliberate practice. So here you're gradually increasing your study time. And this is what we mean by moving beyond our comfort zone. And pushing beyond your comfort zone will also require you to do those very important full-length practice exams. So I recommend to all my students to do at least 2 full-length practice exams after their content review stage. So use these practice exams to get feedback. So these practice exams will help test your understanding. They will help build your endurance for a 5-hour and 20-minute exam, and also help you develop a test taking or time management strategy that you're ready to employ on exam day. And when you're doing these practice exams, if you get questions wrong, again, don't just dive into the solution and quickly read over the solution and look at the solution, convincing yourself, okay, this is the silly mistake I made, or I missed this step, let's just move on. Because a lot of the time, that's not the problem. A lot of the time, it's your lack of conceptual understanding that made you get that practice question wrong. So make sure you're actually not diving into the solution too quick, that you're actually thinking about why you got a problem wrong, and you're practicing that problem or a similar problem again with the overall goal of developing and recreating your own solution. In summary, passing your FE exam is more about your study approach. So you need an optimal study approach that's allowing you to make real and quantifiable progress. And the best way to do that is by deliberately practicing a lot of practice questions. And deliberate practice entails having a clear, well-defined, purposeful study goal for the study session you put in. Then you want to make sure you're focused, ultra focused. You're not getting easily distracted when you're studying. Also, you want to rely on the important feedback you get by doing a lot of practice questions and the practice exam. And lastly, you want to push beyond your comfort zone. You want to create a higher standard for yourself, and you want to make that a new normal as you're preparing for your FE exam.